If you own a 2017 or newer Spyder F3 Limited or a 2020 or newer RT Limited, and you'd like a bit more storage space for that next road trip, then you may be interested in one of our trunk mounted luggage racks from SE Performance. The luggage racks come in two different sizes. Our standard rack measuring in at 14.5 inches by 18.5 inches, and our large rack measuring in at 15 inches by 24.5 inches. Both racks are constructed from lightweight aluminum and are powder-coated black for durability. They feature carbon fiber-like trim to hide the mounting hardware and to prevent your rack from getting scratched when loading and unloading cargo. The racks include all necessary hardware for installation, as well as rubber spacers for a watertight seal against your trunk lid. Now, without further ado, allow us to walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2019 F3 Limited.
Before you begin, make sure that you're parked on level ground, that your parking brake is engaged, and that the ignition is off. Open your trunk lid and locate the 4 dimples molded into the plastic on the underside of the lid. Using a drill and 1/8 inch bit, carefully drill a pilot hole through the center of each of the 4 dimples. Next, using a 5/16 inch bit, use the pilot holes as a guide and drill through to enlarge each of the 4 holes. Then remove all plastic shavings from both the underside and top side of the trunk lid. Insert the included bolts through each of the 4 mounting holes on the luggage rack. Then flip the rack over and add a tapered rubber spacer to each bolt, making sure that the narrow side of each spacer is facing towards the rack. Carefully position the rack so that the 4 bolts insert through the holes that were drilled on the trunk lid. The manufacturer recommends adding a bit of WD-40 or equal lubricant to the threads on each bolt to prevent galling. Make sure you have a rag handy to clean up any overspray. Add a washer and lock nut to each bolt, finger tight for now. Then go back through with a 4mm Allen wrench and 7/16 socket with ratchet to tighten down your hardware until each rubber spacer sits flush on the trunk lid for a watertight seal. Make sure not to over-tighten. The rack comes with 2 trim pieces so that you can cover the exposed hardware and prevent scratching. Test fit the trim so that you know which side is which, then clean the surface area with an alcohol prep pad. Peel back small sections of the protective backing film as you go so that you can maintain proper alignment. Once in place, press firmly along the entire strip to ensure maximum adhesion. Then repeat on other side.
And there you have it, folks. Now, if adding some additional storage space to your Spyder is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a luggage rack for your ride. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like. And make sure to subscribe so you can keep seeing cool content just like this. I'm Jen, and we'll see you out on the road.